The 1955 Luer Quality Meat rocket ship is a fascinating piece of retro-futuristic promotional history. Created by the Luer Packing Company of Los Angeles, this unique vehicle was designed to advertise their packaged meats in a way that captured the imagination of the 1950s public. The rocket ship was built by Standard Carriage Works, who modified a trailer to resemble the Terra IV spaceship from the popular TV series Space Patrol. This design choice was no accident. The 1950s were a time of great interest in space exploration and science fiction, and the Luer Quality Meat rocket ship capitalized on this cultural phenomenon. The rocket ship was designed to be visually striking both inside and out. It featured a large movie screen at the front, seats for 24 people, a vibrating floor to simulate the sensation of a rocket launch, air conditioning, and even a bubble machine to create exhaust during public appearances. These features made it a hit at grocery stores and parades, where it drew large crowds. While specific technical details about the rocket ship's construction are scarce, it is known that the vehicle was approximately 35 feet long and mounted on a trailer for easy transportation. The interior was designed to provide an immersive experience, complete with futuristic controls and displays. The Luer Quality Meat rocket ship left a lasting impression on those who saw it. It was part of a broader trend in the 1950s where companies used eye-catching vehicles to promote their products. This trend included other famous promotional vehicles, like the Oscar Mayer Wienermobile. The rocket ship's ability to capture the public's imagination helped to cement Luer Quality Meats in the minds of consumers. After its promotional career, the rocket ship changed hands several times and spent many years in outdoor storage in the arid California desert and Prescott Valley, Arizona. Its survival to the present day is a testament to the durability of its construction and the nostalgia it evokes for a bygone era of optimistic futurism. In conclusion, the 1955 Luer Quality Meat rocket ship is a remarkable example of mid-20th century marketing ingenuity. Its combination of futuristic design, immersive features, and cultural relevance made it a standout promotional tool that continues to be remembered and celebrated today.